Hello, I hope you're having a great day. Sorry I didn't post a video yesterday. I had just some personal affairs to take care of. And wow, these are really coming on. So I'm gonna cut them and get them in the cooler, even though they look amazing out here. I think they'll be really pretty in some bouquets. So anyway, I'm gonna get to that, and then I'm gonna just kind of go around the farm and see if anything's happening anywhere. And then I've got about 5 trays I can plant, and then I have to stake stuff and do different things. So I'll just take you along and we'll see what gets done today. So I've lost my favorite tool of all, which is my butter knife. I can't find it anywhere. So I'm going to use my hori knife, and I'm going to get this stalk in. Dang it! Just hit my water line. I turned off my water and I grabbed the 2 tools I need to fix it. Alright, that took a minute. It took longer to go shut off the water. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my Campanula. So now I'm going to put in this tray of Snapdragons. There's a lot that have 2 or 3, so I'll probably be splitting them out, which makes it a little bit slower, but I'm just going to try to get them in. And then it's starting to sprinkle. And it looks like it's going to rain this afternoon. And I just watered everything, but I'll take the rain. So I'm going to get to it. Well done. Snapdragons are in. Okay, I got this little row of Aster Belgi. Asters, perennial asters. They're right here in this row, just a little piece of them. They didn't quite make it up to my baby's breast, so maybe I'll have to plant some more or plant something in here next year, because I have them running into each other, and some of it is mixed in. There's a little baby's breath mixed in, but the baby's breath didn't all come back this year. So it is what it is. I'll keep trying to fill this area and get it going. Okay, so this afternoon I made some progress. I added 2 lines of drip line up here. And then I added 8 tomatoes with cages. Just gonna put them in pairs. And then I have my anemones over there, which I can get to from the other side. And right down here in this little, I tried to till this up a little bit, and then I drilled some holes and I just filled all of it with Gladiolus bulbs. So, I mean, most of it anyway. You can see like there's a line right there. And then I just drilled holes all throughout there and put Gladiolus in. So yeah, we'll have I figured at the farmer's market I could maybe bring some tomatoes and basil. I grow pink girls, which they don't always look pretty. They split sometimes, but man, they're good on BLTs. They're my favorite tomato I've ever had. So anyway, yeah, maybe I can contribute to some of the vegetables at the farmer's market. We already have a lot of people that carry vegetables, but they were saying it wouldn't hurt to have like 1 or 2 more, just to like get some different varieties out there. And I said, well, I have these extras, I can throw them in. Last year I did bring tomatoes, basil, and jalapenos. And I didn't plant very many jalapenos this year, but sometimes the plants are loaded and sometimes they don't do as well. So I'll bring any extra vegetables I have that I haven't given away to my friends or family. That's one thing in Iowa, a lot of people give away vegetables in the summer, so it makes it a little rough at farmers markets to sell them. If you don't actually know somebody that grows and gives away tomatoes and peppers and all those things, you should come to the farmers market and buy them. They're really good, homegrown Iowa stuff. You can't beat it, not with vegetables anyway. So I think that was a really productive day. Right now, I have 24 trays in my basement. Some of them might be ready to start hardening off. They're pretty little, so it might be pushing it to start hardening them off. But I would like to get like some celosia in the field and stuff like that. My celosia didn't germinate as well as I wanted it to, so I've been keeping it in the basement. But maybe I'll just take out the ones that did and try to leave the others and put a humidity dome back on them or something. I don't know. We'll see what's going on with that. So 24 more trays to put in these fields. And my succession plantings, some of those are succession plantings. And then I didn't get to my dahlias today. So we will just see. So I think it was another day. I got some flowers picked this morning. Yay. I think it's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, so I might not be able to do a lot of field work, but I do need to get some bouquets ready or figure out what I'm going to do with bouquets. I know I can make allium bouquets, which look really cool because they're just fun, but I'll see. Maybe I'll reach out to some of my subscriptions and see if they'd rather wait a week when I have all my peonies and stuff. And there's a chance that the peonies will still bloom. I mean, they're close. They're so close. I just don't know that they will be blooming by Thursday, but we'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope everybody has a fantastic day.